What's up? Welcome to our channel. We're super excited to share with you guys today our footage from Amsterdam. We took an extended trip overseas with our kids. It was our first time going overseas with them and doing some world schooling, which is something we're really passionate about. So we started out in Amsterdam and we're excited to share with you some of the adventures that we had there. Honestly, there's one thing that I really want to remember, and I want to put it here for our memories. After our long flight, it was a red-eye flight, and we got into Amsterdam and it was like 2 p.m. in Amsterdam, but still really early back home. And I remember we stayed up all the rest of the day exploring because we were worried about making sure everybody could sleep that night. But of course, by like, I don't know, 3, 4 a.m., everyone is wide awake. And we're all just sitting on the bed together and nothing's open. We're in this new foreign place. It's dark outside still, so we don't know, like...
Everyone's starving.
And everyone's starving, just like he said. Everyone's starving, and so we didn't have any food except for the airplane snacks.
Airplane pretzels or peanuts or something.
So we all just opened up these snacks and we sat on the bed and we stayed awake for a few hours, and then everyone was finally tired enough to fall back asleep. But it was just such a, I don't know, a silly moment with our family that I'll cherish forever. Go fly in on an airplane? Yeah? Is Dad? Yep. Are you gonna sleep the whole time? Oh, yeah. Okay, we just got to Amsterdam. We're staying in this cute little place here. Okay, wait, let me go in first and then I'll film you, okay? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Wait till you see this. This little chalet. Okay, come on in.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's so stinking
Whoa. Cameron, upstairs! Can this be my head out?
Sure. Okay, we got all checked into our cute little chalet that we're staying in, and now we're just walking around exploring this cute little town of Amsterdam. And then we'll head home, get some rest tonight, and tomorrow we'll go into the city. Should be a lot of fun. We're excited to be here and glad to have that flight over with.
Good morning, sun's rising, don't let the light in. I breathe in this feeling, don't need to fight it.
We went into the city only one day, so we ended up staying out in the outskirts, and I'd highly recommend that. It was so much fun to stay out in the countryside in Amsterdam. Wouldn't you think?
Where was it?
Dam. That's where we stayed. But there's some really cute towns outside of, and it's just so much less crowded and so less overwhelming as a family traveling, and especially with kids. But we did go into the city one day to visit Anne Frank's house, and our daughter still talks about that. It was just the most incredible experience.
It was the favorite part of her whole Europe trip, she still says, so
yeah,
it's awesome.
I love that, and I think that Anne's story is really inspirational for girls, so we had a great time there. You couldn't take photos or videos inside the museum, but it's definitely a bucket list item. We did snap this cute photo of our daughter outside of the museum, and I wanted to throw it in here for our memories.
Making up plans, turn it into something. Sing my song, gonna take on whatever's coming. It's a long road till tomorrow, I'm taking it all in.
Just out for a nice bike ride with some friends is over here.
It's good, good, good,
What
good.
do you think of that?
It's good, 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 good morning. It's good, 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 good morning. Sun's rising.
I don't know, like 12 more minutes.
Hello, good morning.
Each of us probably had a favorite activity here.
So for me, one of my favorite things when we were out there in Amsterdam, it was pretty close to where we were staying. They have these canals. Well, you know how Amsterdam has the canals in the cities, but they also come clear out to like the farmlands and stuff too. So anyway, there was this place that did like a boat tour, but you get to rent your own boat. It's like these little like e-boats. They're just run on battery power and little tiny props. So anyway, we got to drive this tiny little boat around.
Nick the boat driver.
Up and down these canals, which was pretty fun.
And it was fun. There's cows like on the side. You got really close to them.
We passed people's houses that like lived right on the water too. It was pretty
So
cool.
scenic, so beautiful. We just got onto our boat. We rented one. Just our little family. There's the driver back there. There's Emerson. It was a really easy process. We just made a reservation and here we are.
Like the starlight with no beginning or end. Look into your eyes. I get lost in this moment. I never wanna leave. Like a story, don't know where it'll go. Oh, but I see all that I need to know. It's standing right in front of me. Time and time, I do it all again. Here and now is where it all
Kind of cold when it's deeper, but like on the top, it's pretty warm.
Oh, there's a million stars up over our heads. Still, I would find you right here all over again under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true that I'll always be falling for
We're just riding our bikes over to see the Jacobs Hove cheese farm. We're gonna do a little tour, taste some cheese, and kids are really excited. I'm excited, so cheese is my favorite food.
I came down from Kentucky, a place called Breezy Creek. That cornbread and buttermilk was all I had to eat. I have served my country, worked for Uncle Sam, but cornbread and buttermilk made me what I am. Oh, give me that cornbread and buttermilk, a country boy's delight. I eat it every morning and I eat it every night. Some people like fried chicken, others like the ham, but cornbread and buttermilk made me what I am.
Is it good? You don't really like it?
My daddy raised some potatoes, beans and cabbage too. He always raised plenty of corn to make his Mountain Dew. Daddy had some horses and cattle on the farm, but cornbread and buttermilk never did no harm. Oh, give me that cornbread and buttermilk, a country boy's delight. I eat it every morning and I eat it every night. Some people like fried chicken, others like the ham, but cornbread and buttermilk make me what I am.
One of the other favorite things that the kids enjoyed that we did was visiting Zannse Schanse, and that place has all of the old windmills from when Amsterdam was originally created. They used all of these windmills, and so you could actually go in and tour some of these windmills. We went into one that made paint.
Well, some of them are still in use today.
That's right, some of them are, which is really cool. Anyways, it's kind of a tourist area, but I wouldn't call it a tourist trap because it's just surrounded with all this natural beauty that is Amsterdam. It was really neat to learn some history there with the kids, and they had delicious hot chocolates, so
That's true.
it was definitely worth a visit.
We made it to the Zannse Schanse. Got all these old windmills out here. It sure is beautiful.
They say home is where
Oh, yeah.
the heart is, and it's right where we belong. Doesn't matter where we come from.
Ooh, this is
There's a
cute.
place for everyone. Oh, I can finally see. It's so clear to me. I found my home right here. City skylines brought to life. Sunsets over river wide. No matter what each season brings, there's beauty here in every made for you and I. They say home is where the heart is, and it's right where we belong. Doesn't matter where we come from, there's a place for everyone. Oh, I can finally see, it's so clear to me. I found my home right here. I can finally see, it's so clear to me. I can finally see, it's so clear to me. I can finally see.
On the left. No, not in
I
front.
can finally see, it's so clear to me. I found my home right here. I found my home right here.
I guess that wraps up our video. We just loved Amsterdam. I think that's always going to hold a special place in our hearts, especially going there as a family. So
Yeah.
we really enjoyed it. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Making up plans.